Hi, I'm Christian, and welcome to Cooking with Christian. And today we're going to be making a very, very delicious sandwich that I like to call Le Pokémon Sandwich, the Pokemon sandwich. So what you're going to need today is you're going to need some milk, preferably expired. You're going to need some seasoned salt. You're going to need some brown sugar. You're going to need a fruit by the foot. You're going to need a nice fresh apple. You're going to need some mini cookies. You're going to need whatever the heck one of these are called. You're going to need a few Pokemon cards. You're going to need some thin bread. You're going to need some lemon juice. You're going to need some syrup. You're going to need some Parmesan cheese. And of course, you're going to need some jelly. Let's get started. Alright, first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lay the foundation. You're going to want to get your milk. Come on. Up. It's expired the 1st of September. Alright, and what we're going to do is we're going to take some thin wheat breads, and we're just going to place the bottom half down on top of the milk. Let it absorb the milk. Tastes amazing. Alright, and you never want to start by putting down the main course. So you're going to want to get your brown sugar. See, I got my frozen spoon, and you're going to want to take out some brown sugar, spread it across here, get a nice big ball of it here. Oh, it's too hard to go down, so we'll just leave it like that. Then what you want to do is you want to grab this bar thing, breakfast bar. You're going to want to put it on here. Just lay it flat on there. This one's broken. That's fine, that's fine. Molasses. What you're going to want to do next is grab your seasoned salt, and you want to open it on the sprinkling side. Come on. Come on! There we go. Just like this. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is grab your jelly. Any type works. I only had grape, but strawberry. Strawberry is the best. Yes. Then you want your Parmesan cheese next. Open it up on the mouth side.
Hello, I'm Parmesan cheese. I want to go on your sandwich.
Okay, Parmesan cheese, you'll go on my sandwich. Then you want to get some syrup, of course. I mean, it's common knowledge, basic human etiquette, to put your syrup on after your Parmesan. Now, if any of you don't do that, please just stop watching now, because that makes you a horrible, horrible person. Now what it's going to do is it's going to form a moat around the sandwich. Now you want to grab your Pokemon cards, of course. See, I have one of most of each energy card, because, you know, you got to make it big, strong, because you got to have energy to be strong. So first put down your electricity card, then the water, then you're going to want to add some lemon juice. Then grab your grass type, set that on top. Then grab your brown sugar again. Put that on top. Then put on your fire type, your psychic type, your fighting type, and then put on the syrup once more. Glug, 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 glug. And then to top it off, you're going to put on your rainbow energy card. Just press down on that so it just sticks it all together. See, that's looking pretty dang good. I mean, I would just eat it right now, but, you know, it's not time. It gets even better. Now, next we have this apple. See, I just picked it fresh right from the orchard. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your knife. Just like that. See, if you don't have the brown marks, that means your apple's probably not healthy, so just a tip. Quiet, dog. This is kind of like a side thing. You put those on the sides. Just like you have chips when you have a, look at that, mold, my favorite. It's just like having chips when you have a tuna sandwich or something like that. Alright, next you're gonna want to grab your cookies. Nom nom nom. Pour those on there. Beat those with your hammer. Just gotta take in that smell sometimes. It's just amazing. Alright, you need your Parmesan cheese once more, because everyone loves Parmesan. Just like that. Then get your fruit by the foot. And you're going to want to completely unravel that. Quiet, dog. I'm unraveling my fruit by the foot. And once you reach the end right here, you just, and you put this on there. You won't need this anymore. Probably the last ingredient will be your seasoned salt. But you can always add a couple other extra things, like maybe some more lemon juice, or maybe half of a Pop-Tart. But anyway, you push the top bun on there, and here you have your Pokemon card sandwich. You got apples, you got your syrup. Quiet, dog! No! No! You got your bun, you got your fruit by the foot, got your cookies. Well, I hope that I taught you how to make some delicious food today. And I hope that I can find my pants. Alright, Ethan, cut this part out at the very end.